Your Suzuki is packed with safety features as standard. When detecting a potential collision, dual sensor brake support delivers a warning or activates automatic braking, depending on the situation. If your car departs a lane without you indicating, the steering wheel vibrates and a warning light appears. As an additional feature, the driver will notice an automatic input from the steering wheel to ensure the car remains in its correct direction of travel. Your Suzuki's monocular camera can detect traffic signs, such as speed limits, and shows the sign on the multi-information display. The blind spot monitor detects other cars located in or approaching the rear blind spots on either side of your car, and shows a warning on the relevant wing mirror. Rear crossing traffic alert helps avoid collisions when reversing out of parking spaces by showing a warning on the relevant wing mirror. The hill hold control function makes hill starts easy by preventing your car from rolling backwards when you move your foot from the brake to the accelerator pedal. At speeds of about 37 miles an hour or faster, the weaving alert function analyses your driving pattern. It will give audio and visual warnings if the vehicle is straying due to driver drowsiness or any other reason.